Hi everybody, so today we're going to make this beautiful doll's dress. Let's start. So first of all we're going to need a useless socks. Then we're going to cut it from here. And now I have cut it off from the downside. Now I'm going to cut from here and here. Now as you can see I've cut from here and here just a little bit. Now I'm going to put it on my doll. And we need to do is to put these hands in these holes. And now we need to fold this. And now we need to do is to take this one over here. Like this. And now my doll's dress is ready. Everybody, today we're going to make this beautiful doll's dress. So let's start. First of all, we're going to need a square cloth like this. Then fold it from like this. Then fold it from here like this. And now I'm going to draw a circle over here. You can draw with a plate or anything that is round. And I'm going to draw with this. Like this. Now I'm going to cut off from here. Now I have cut the circle off. Now I'm going to just open it like this and then hold it just a little bit from here. Okay, now I'm going to cut off this point. Now I have cut off the nib. Now I'm going to open it up like this. Now we're going to make the top of the doll's frock. No, let's just wear it to my doll first, then do the other things. Here's my doll, and I'm going to wear it like this. The small side should come on the front area, like over here. Like this. Now I have filled her. Now the front is short and the back one is too long. You can see. Now let's make the top. For the top we're going to need a balloon. And I just take the color of the flowers on the cloth. Now I'm going to cut it off. So first of all we're going to need to cut from here like this. Like this. Now I'm going to cut it from here like this. Now I'm going to cut it from here just a little. First just let's draw here like this. See, now I'm going to cut it off like this. Now I've cut. Now let's wear it to our doll. On this one corner we should put her legs in. Now the dress is done. The small hole was for the arm, and I put the arm inside the small hole. And now you can see it's all ready. So my dress is done. Hi everybody, today we're going to make this beautiful doll's dress. So let's start. First of all, we're going to need a cloth like with designs, and we need a small plate, and now we're going to do a circle around it like this. Like this. Now I'm going to cut off the circle like this circle, and then we're going to need another cloth, this, and then we're going to need a smaller plate than before, and we're going to draw a circle here again. Like this. Now I'm going to take other one and put this one on top right here like this, equal sides, and now I'm going to fold it carefully equally and fold it from here too like this. Now I'm going to cut from this corner just a little bit like this. Like this. Now if I open it up, you can see a hole over here like this. Now I'm going to wear it to my doll from the right like this, and I'm going to take it to the top of the doll and like this. See, now I'm going to make the top area. We're going to need a rectangle just the size of your doll. You can check the size like this. Make it here and then roll it, and then if this corner gets here easily, then it's the size of the doll. And it's the right size of my doll, and I'm now going to cut it. First, I'm just a little bit moving. First, I'll draw here a line like this, and another line here. You can see the lines. Now I'm going to cut them, and I'm going to put them like this between the lines, and I'm going to cut it with a scissor like this, and I'm going to cut it from here to just like this one. Now I have cut from here and here. Now I'm going to wear it to my doll like this. This one hole goes in this one arm like this, to the end, and then I'm going to roll it like this under from her arms. Then I'm going to take this one arm and then put in the other hole like this, and then put it to the end. Now I'm going to straight it from here. Like this. And now put your frog up to this top area like this. Now my doll's dress is done. So see you at the next episode. Bye. And one thing, if you want just a single circle, you can make it too. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share my videos. Bye.